So let's get practical. Here is a template that I've put together that I use myself. It really, really helps, particularly when I've got to a time in business where I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Sometimes that happens. There's so much stuff's going on that we kind of lose where we're at. So I take a lot of my business owner friends and clients through this particular model. So here is an Excel document. Now this is where in the far right column, I break down what my major key result areas are, what my major projects are for the next 12 months. Your next breakdown from that, your next column in, are the major projects that you need to achieve to make that big major project happen, if that makes sense. So you've got your major key result area, then you have your major projects that you have to achieve to make that one key result area happen. Break that down again, and you then have your quarterly tasks that you have to achieve in order to make that major project happen, which makes the major key result area happen. And you can then, if you like, even go down into breaking that down from a quarterly to a monthly, and then from a monthly to a daily. So this really can be broken down in a much more minute scale, and I would highly encourage you to do that. For the sake of fitting it on the screen, I've just shown you the quarterly version here because clearly it makes sense what you'd have to do to then break it down by month, per week and per day. So this is your 12-month productivity plan. This is an activity I'd like you to now put pen to paper to. Their Excel sheet is printable from your platform, so over in your curriculum you can now download this, but of course you can just write it down in notes version if you like. So this is your activity now. Before you go any further, please now complete your very own 12-month productivity plan. I'd like you to come up with at least 3 major key result areas if you can. At least 3 major key result areas broken down into the 4 major projects and quarterly tasks and monthly tasks as well. Love to hear what some of your major key result areas actually are. Please share them in the discussion area with everyone else, so perhaps we can all be inspired by each other's here to all help one another grow from our own goals and best practices. So crack on with that now.